Hello students, we are doing chapter number 18 trigonometrical ratios of standard angles, exercise 18.1. In today's video, we will start from question number 6. Find the value of first part root of 1 minus cos square 30 divided by 1 minus sin square 30. So we have to substitute values of cos 30 and sin 30 here. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and do the squaring. In denominator, sin 30 is 1 by 2 and do squaring. So numerator you will get 1 minus 3 upon 4 and in denominator 1 minus 1 upon 4. Take LCM in numerator. After taking LCM you will get 4 minus 3 upon 4 and in denominator 4 minus 1 upon 4. So this by 4 you can cancel it out. Here you will get root of 1 by 3 or you can write it as 1 upon root 3. Second part, sin 45, cos 45, cos 60, sin 60, cos 30 and tan 45. All these values we have to substitute here. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and tan 45 is 1. In numerator 1 into 1 into 1 will become 1. Root 2 and root 2 will become 2 and 2 into 2 4. In denominator root 3 and root 3 will become 3. 2 into 2 will become 4. So this by 4 you can cancel out and answer will be 1 by 3. Question number 7th, first part. If theta is equal to 30 degree, verify that sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So left side first I will substitute value. Sin 2 theta means sin 2 into 30 degree means sin 60 degree and sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Now right side we will substitute values. 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin 30 and cos 30. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 and cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. This by 2 you can cancel and finally root 3 by 2 we are getting. So you can see left and right side both are coming same. Hence it is verified. Second part, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. We have to prove it. So first left side we will take cos 2 theta. Cos 2 into 30 means cos 60 degree and cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Now right side 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square 30 minus 1. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 minus 1. So after squaring it will become 3 by 4 minus 1. Cancel with 2. 3 by 2 minus 1. After subtraction you will get 1 by 2. So left side and right side it is coming same. Hence it is verified. Next third part, sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. First take left side and substitute value. Sin 3 into 30 means sin 90 and sin 90 value is equal to 1. Now right side 3 sin 30 minus 4 sin cube 30. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 minus 4 1 by 2 whole cube. So here you will get 3 by 2 and here 4 by 8. Can cancel out. 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 means 1. So we are getting here left side and right side are equal. It's verified. Next fourth part, Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Substitute value cos 3 into 30 means cos 90 and cos 90 value is equal to 0. Right side 4 cos cube 30 minus 3 cos 30. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 whole cube minus 3 root 3 by 2. Here 4 and after doing the cube we will get 3 root 3 upon 8 minus 3 root 3 upon 2. With 4 you can cancel out and you can see both are same, so after subtraction we will get 0. So left side and right side both are coming equal, hence it is verified. Question number 8. If theta is equal to 30 degree, find the ratio of 2 sin theta and sin 2 theta. So we will substitute value here. 2 sin 30 divided by sin 2 into 30. So 2 sin 30 upon sin 60. You can substitute values. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 and sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. So this by 2 you can cancel out and we will get 2 ratio root 3. Question number 9. By means of an example, show that sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. So here we have to take one example. Any two values you can take for A and B. So first I have taken, let A is 30 degree and B is 60 degree. So sin A plus B means sin 30 plus 60. Sin 90. Sin 90 value is equal to 1. Now sin 30 plus sin 60. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 and 60 value is root 3 by 2. So this is 1 plus root 3 by 2. And if you substitute root 3 value 1.732 upon 2, you will get 2.732 upon 2. You can see both the values are not coming same. After dividing also we will get 1 point something. It is not same. So therefore left side is not equal to right side and hence it is verified. Next 10th question, first part. If A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 35, then verify that sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So this A and B value we will substitute first left side and then right side, and then we will check whether both the values are coming same or not. So sin 60 plus 30 means sin 90 and sin 90 value is equal to 1. Now substitute right side, sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 and sin 30. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, cos 30 value is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So here we will get 3 by 4 and here 1 by 4. After addition 4 by 4 means 1. So you can see both left and right side are coming same. Hence it is verified. Uh, 10th question, second part. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Substitute values first left side. Cos 60 plus 30, same values we have to take as first part, cos 90 and cos 90 value is equal to 0. Right side cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 and sin 30. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. We are getting 0. So therefore left side and right side both are coming same, hence it is verified. Next, 10th question, third part, we have to prove sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So first left side we will substitute values. A is 60 degree, B is 30 degree. So 60 minus 30, we are getting 30 degree. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Right side, sin 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 and sin 30. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, cos 30 value also root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2 and sin 30 1 by 2. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 means 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So we are getting left and right side equal, hence it is verified. Next, 10th question, fourth part, we have to prove tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. So left side I am taking first, tan A minus B means tan 60 minus 30, which is equal to tan 30, and tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3. Right side, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Substitute A and B value here. Tan 60 minus tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan 60 and tan 30. Tan 60 value is root 3, tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3. 1 plus root 3 into 1 upon root 3. So this you can cancel out. In numerator, take LCM. After LCM, you will get 3 minus 1 upon, here 1 plus 1 will become 2. So 2 upon root 3 and upon 2. So 2 you can cancel out. 1 upon root 3 you are getting. So both left side and right side are equal. Hence it is verified. Next, question number 11, first part. If 2 theta is an acute angle and 2 sine 2 theta is equal to root 3, find the value of theta. So we will start from the given one. This 2 I can shift another side. Sine 2 theta is equal to root 3 by 2, and root 3 by 2 value is equal to for sine 60. It means 2 theta is equal to 60 degree and theta is equal to 30 degree. Next we have second part of question number 11. If 20 plus x is an acute angle and cos 20 plus x is equal to sin 60, then find the value of x. So this thing is given. We will start from this. Sin 60 value we can write root 3 by 2, and now this root 3 by 2 is value for cos 30. It means what we are doing, we are changing this sign into cos, so we can do the comparison both the side. So after comparison we will get 20 plus x is equal to 30 degree. It means x value is 30 minus 20 equal to 10 degree. Next, question number 11, third part. If 3 sin square theta is equal to 2 whole number 1 by 4 and theta is less than 90 degree, then find the value of theta. So we'll start from this 2 whole number 1 by 4. We can write 9 by 4. Shift this 3 another side. So sin square theta is equal to 9 upon 4, and this 3 will come in denominator. With 3 you can cancel out 9. Sin theta is equal to root of 3 by 4. Square also you can shift another side. So we will get root 3 by 2, and root 3 by 2 is value for sin 60 degree. Compare from both the sides. So theta value we are getting 60 degree. So in this video we are doing till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.